Today we will start with solar system. The sun and the 8 planets all together constitute a solar system. But the center of the solar system is sun, and the other 8 planets revolve around the sun. But these two bodies not only are sufficient to constitute a solar system. Asteroids, meteors and comets are also a part of solar system. All these bodies which are present in solar system are bounded to the sun by strong gravitational force. As we have discussed that sun is the center of the solar system, so here first we will study about sun. Sun is also a star which is closest to the earth, and its distance from the earth is around 150 million kilometers. And the light which is emitted by the sun takes 8 1 by 4 minutes to reach the earth. Now we will discuss about the size of sun. If we talk of size, the diameter of the sun is around 109 times the diameter of earth. And its mass is in sun, hydrogen is present, which is continuously converted into helium by the process of nuclear fusion. In hydrogen, various isotopes of hydrogen are also present, like deuterium, tritium. These various isotopes of hydrogen combine together to form helium. Due to this process occurring at the sun, the large amount of heat and light is given out. Due to large amount of heat released during this process, the temperature of the sun reaches to 6000 degree Celsius. This temperature is surface temperature of the sun. And if we talk of the center of the sun, the temperature is around 14 million times of the surface temperature. On the surface of sun, there are some spots or there are some areas from where the hot gases are shooted outwards. So that areas from where these gases are shooted outwards are commonly termed as prominences. There are some spots also on the sun which are relatively at low temperature. Those spots are termed as sunspots. Due to low temperature, they are also known as cooler patches on sun. Their temperature is approximately 4000 degree Celsius, which is less in comparison to its surface temperature. So, due to low temperature, the scientists are interested to locate these spots and make various observations regarding the sun. So sunspots are the great keen interest for the scientist to observe various things or various observations regarding sun. These spots are also known for interfering in radio and wireless transmission from the earth, and they are also responsible for change in weather that is taking place on the earth. So this was the brief knowledge about the center of the solar system, that is sun. Now we will discuss about planets. As we know, there were earlier 9 planets, but now we have only 8 planets because among those 9, the last planet, Pluto, has been considered as a dwarf planet. Planets are those heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They also look like stars, but they do not have their own light. These planets only reflect the sunlight and they all move in the elliptical shaped paths called orbits around the sun. Means as they revolve around the sun, they follow the elliptical path, and about the elliptical path we were given the knowledge by Kepler's law. The planets are at the distance from the sun, and according to their distances from the sun, they have various characteristics. So, depending upon those characteristics, planets are classified into 2 categories. First is the terrestrial planets. And the other is the Jovian planets. In terrestrial planets, we mainly include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The special characteristic of these planets is that they have rocky and solid surfaces, while in Jovian planets we include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The special characteristic which these planets have is they are very large in size and they are mainly composed of gases. So in Jovian planets we can say that their composition is of gases. Now we will study about the 8 planets. So among 8 planets, first is Mercury. Mercury is closest to the sun. Being closest to the sun, it is very hot, dry, and has airless atmosphere. As we have studied about Earth, so Mercury is also similar to that of Earth, and its interior composition is also likewise Earth. That is, it contains iron, and other heavy materials like earth. It is visible before sunrise or immediately after sunset. Due to its visibility during these particular times, it is also known as morning or evening star. And last point about it, it takes only 88 Earth days to go or to complete its one revolution around the Sun. Now, our next planet is Venus. It is the brightest object in our sky after the Sun. Its brightness is due to the cloudy appearance or cloudy atmosphere which reflects almost 3/4 of the sunlight which is falling on it. It is almost similar to Earth in size, but it rotates slowly on its own axis. As Venus is far from the Sun in comparison to Mercury, but it is hotter than Mercury due to the presence of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide increases the temperature of Venus due to the greenhouse effect. It is also known as morning or evening star because of the same reason as we have discussed in case of Mercury. Due to its visibility. Its visibility is also before sunrise or immediately after sunset, hence termed as evening or morning star. And it has no natural moon. Now we will discuss about our own planet, that is Earth. It is the third planet of the solar system. Earth is considered as a most unique and special planet of the solar system because it is the only planet among 8 planets where the life exists. Earth also revolves around the sun, but it also rotates on its own axis. Due to its revolution around the sun, there is a change in seasons. So, due to its revolution around the sun, there is an occurrence of different seasons on the earth. While it also rotates on its own axis. And due to its rotation on its axis, day and night occurs. Earth complete its one revolution around the sun in 365 1 by 4 days. Due to this time period, that is 1 by 4 days, there is an occurrence of leap year after every 4 years. In the case of Earth, we know that the Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Due to its tiltedness, when the northern hemisphere is towards the sun, there is summer season. At that time, winter is in the southern hemisphere. And similarly, the vice versa condition occurs when the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So these were the few features of the special planet on which the life exists. Now we will study about Mars, that is the fourth planet of the solar system. Mars is also known as red planet due to its reddish appearance. Now we will discuss about its composition. There is a presence of carbon dioxide atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is also accompanied with a small amount of nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor and many other gases. The surface temperature of the Mars is very low. Due to its low temperature, water at this planet cannot exist in its liquid form, and its average density is also low in comparison to Earth because the mass of the Mars is 1/10 of that of the Earth. Mars has two natural satellites also, namely Phobos and Deimos.